What's up guys, this is Mansi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you some examples regarding rationalizing a one-term denominator. This is practice 2. The first example is 10 over 3 root 10. So we need to get rid of these square roots in the denominator. So what we can do, we can say 10 divided by root 10 is going to be root 10 over 3. So basically that's the final answer. So let's do another example. Is 2 over 5 root 2. Again, in this one we can divide 2 over root 2. 2 divided by root 2 is just going to be root 2. So root 2 divided by 5, and that's the final answer, and it's rationalized already. Next example is 4 over 9 root 5, and we want to rationalize it. It's going to be 4 over 9 root 5. So we need to multiply it and divide it by root 5. So it's going to be 4 root 5 divided by 5 times 9, which is 45. Next example is 9 over 2 root 7. Answer is 9 over 2 root 7 times root 7 divided by root 7. It's going to be 9 root 7 divided by 2 times 7, which is 14. Next example, we have negative 9 over 2 root 3. Answer is negative 9 over 2 root 3 times root 3 divided by root 3, which is going to be negative 9 root 3, and the denominator is going to be 2 times root 3 times root 3, so it's going to be 2 times 3, which is going to be 6, and then we reduce it. So you just missed it, so let me repeat it again. So negative 9 over 2 root 3, we need to multiply numerator and denominator by root 3. So the numerator is going to be negative 9 root 3, and denominator is going to be 2 times root 3 times root 3. So it's going to be 2 times 3, which is 6. And then we need to reduce it, which is going to be negative 3 root 3 divided 2. So basically I divided the numerator and denominator by 3. And next example will be negative 8 over 3 root 6. Answer will be negative 8 over 3 root 6. We multiply and divide the numerator and denominator by root 6. So it's going to be negative 8 root 6 divided by 3 times root 6 times root 6 is going to be 18. And then we reduce it, it's going to be negative 4 root 6 divided by 9. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.